Hi everybody, well a little while ago I posted a review of the Oxford Mondial adventure jacket which is up there somewhere if you want to click on that and have a look at it. I had the jacket for several months now, and to be honest it's been worn in those for 5 or 6 months, if not longer. No more than 30 days really, and maybe just popping down to the shops. So it's not been used or abused at all. I've been away to France a few times with my wife on the back. But yeah, a little bit of a problem on the back of the jacket. As you can see here, the stitching seems to have worn, and the fabric around the stitching has baubled, for want of a better word, which I don't think is acceptable. No idea how it's come to do that. As you can see, the jacket is hung up in my garage. There's nothing resting behind it other than the pair of trousers, but that's certainly not been rubbing against it. I have got the Oxford back protector in there. Whether that's caused an issue if the jacket's just crumpled up a little bit whilst I've been sat down on the bike, and then that's caused it to wear, but it's really not had a lot of wear at all actually, so I'm a little bit disappointed. So what have I done? I've contacted the supplier in the UK, and they've told me to send the jacket back to them. They will then send it on to Oxford, who'll assess it for a warranty claim. But before I spoke to the supplier of the jacket, I did actually send an email to Oxford and the UK and tell them what the problem was. Well, I told them what the problem was and asked if they could sort it out under warranty, but then they referred me back to the supplier of the jacket. So Oxford are aware. I've already sent them some photographs, and today I'm going to send the jacket in a box back to the UK where I got the jacket from online, and then fingers crossed they will sort it out. But yeah, good jacket. So a little bit disappointed because I haven't done anything to cause the jacket to have that bit of wear on the top of the map pocket on the base of the jacket on the rear of it. So fingers crossed I'll sort it out, send me a new jacket. If not, it's well, we'll have to see what happens if they don't replace the jacket. But as you can see in the garage, I keep everything nice and tidy. Everything's always hung up, so there's no reason for the jacket to have done that. So I'm a bit of a loss as to why that's happened. So yeah, watch the space, and I'll let you all know how I get on. About 3 weeks, and the jacket's now back, exact same size. So Oxford have replaced the jacket. They didn't say why the jacket frayed at the back, but hey ho, there we go. But I had to do the warranty claim through the retail outlet I purchased it from online in the UK. So that company had to send the jacket to Oxford, and then Oxford had a look at it, and then sent a new jacket to them, and then they posted it down to me. So all in all, it's taken around about 3 weeks. So I've got a new jacket now. So hopefully all should be good. I'll be interested to see if any of you folk out there have had similar issues with the stitching on the back. And whilst we're just talking about this warranty issue, I just thought I would also just give you my thoughts of the jacket after I've been riding it for about 30 days, although I've had it quite a few months. So let's have a look at it then. So sizing wise, I'm only average build. I'm about 12 stone, 75 kilos, chest is 40 inches, no idea what that is in centimetres. So when I purchased the jacket, I went for a size L for large. Just so I could maybe put some base layers, some other layers on underneath in case it got a little bit chilly. Could have got away with a medium, but there would have been a little bit of a tighter fit. But as it is, if it's a cold day, well, let's just show you. Actually, I've got one of these, a Burkhouse fleecy top, which I will put on. I know the jackets come with a quilted removable liner, but you know, when it's cold, you might want to just get a bit warmer. So I've got my t-shirt on. There's my Burkhouse. It's covered in cat hairs and German Shepherd dog hairs, but hey ho. And this is the size large jacket. So it has got the quilted removable liner in it. So that's, as I said, a 40-inch chest. So still, with those layers on, it doesn't feel restrictive at all. The only thing is the neckline is a little bit low as well. So I've got a couple of those roll neck things you can get, which are fairly cheap as chips. But yeah, that's the size large. Could get away with the medium, but you know what, I reckon that's going to be a little bit too tight. with a few layers on underneath. But I went out on a bike today. What was it here? It was about 9 degrees centigrade with exactly what I've got on now. I was out for about 2 hours. No problems whatsoever. Was nice and toasty underneath. In relation to gloves, I've got a pair of rucker gloves. I can't remember what they are. Don't know. Some of you might recognise them. They're good kind of glove. I tend to, don't want to bore everybody, put them on and do them up at the cuff, and then do them up as far as I can, and they will go all the way down to the bottom. So there you go. So that's done. There's not much. Notice there's not much you can do with the Velcro once you've got a glove on, and with the current gloves that I've got, I can't do the wrist zip up and then sort of put them over the top here. It just won't work, even with this velcroed up as far as it can go. It's just a bit of a faff to do it up. So maybe if you've got a slightly wider part to the glove here, that may be able to go over the top, but as it is, I don't bother. I just undo the zip and then put the gloves on, so this part of the glove goes on the underside. So that's it. But yeah, the large works well for me. If anybody's had any thoughts about sizing wise, what you should go for, yeah, please put them in the comment section beneath here if you disagree or agree. And if you have any problems with the back, have a look at your stitching in the mat pocket there, and go and get a warranty claim sorted out. Yeah, I haven't used it in torrential rain. Somebody made a comment that they use it twice in torrential rain on the initial review that I've done. There'll be a link underneath. But yeah, I can't comment on that. So if you guys have been out and got absolutely soaked through, if you stay dry, let us know. If you haven't, also put a comment in as well, so other people can gauge whether to go for the jacket or not. But I've only used it in light to moderate showers, and it's been fine. Yeah, it is going to wet out, although it's their, let's say it's their kind of their own in-house Gore-Tex, although it's not Gore-Tex. It will wet out, and I had no problems with it drying overnight, and it was fully dry the next day. But others have had different issues with the jacket. But anybody had any issues, put the comments below so everybody can read them and see whether or not they want to purchase this jacket, which I think looks quite smart actually. From a price point of view, off the top of my head, around £210 or something, whatever that is in dollars, euros, I have no idea. But yeah, it works for me, so I'm happy with it now. So yeah, if you like what I've said, please subscribe, and again, if you've got any comments, please listen below so everybody can have a look. See you all again soon. Take care, ride safely. Cheerio for now.